All right, guys, a real short video because, as a guy who runs a trading chat room, I've been running GreatStockPicks.com since 2004. You get people that say, well, if you really are such a great trader, then why do you need to run a chat room? Are you really making money? So you get people that assert that you're not making money at all, right? And you're living off of the um, subscription payments, which I don't even advertise. We don't have a lot of new signups. It's just people that stumble upon us and then they end up becoming lifetime members. All right. But this is October 1st till now. The first week of October, I was on vacation. So this is really only 1 week. Just shows you my total profit. And I'm not doing this to brag. That's not huge, right? But the winning percentage is really nice, right? 84%. I've had 92 trades basically this week because last week I was on vacation. Now I'll go back to September 1st till now, and you can see my total profits and again my winning percentage. I'm going to go back to August 1st till now, total profits from August 1st till now, and my winning percentage. Real quick, I'll just go to July, and I'm going to keep this video short. So there's my profits from July till now and my winning percentage. Now, again, I don't do this to brag. I just do it to show you that I literally practice what I preach, right? I teach people, and this is what Wayne and I teach in the course. I teach people to wait for A-plus setups to form and only take it right at that inflection point. So you should be green right away. Then you start paying yourself immediately, tighten up the stop on the rest, and you can end up with winning percentages like this. And I don't know, what did I say? This is from July 1st till October 13th. So there's a good example. I also had a great June, but I'm not going to make this video long and extended. Just wanted to show you guys that there is a way. I tweeted today that if I'm not green in a trade, I'm not in the trade. And that is a great way to sum up how I trade, okay? I don't claim that I never have losers, okay? But if I take a trade and it goes against me, I'm just back out because that trade should have worked right away. I sit in cash until the stock hits an inflection point, and then I get in, right? So I want to be green right away. I hate being red. By the way, you'll notice how few shorts I've taken. This is all the way back to July 1st. I've taken one short, and you can see how good I am at shorting, right? Lost $271 on it. So anyway, if you can learn to wait for those setups, that A-plus setups, and only get involved if and when you have one of those, right? And then you get the move you anticipated, and you start scaling out into parts, and making sure that you defend your entry after you start scaling out, right? In other words, protecting your entry so you don't let a winning trade turn into a loser, and be comfortable sitting in cash unless and until you have an A-plus setup. You know what? Trading isn't that hard, but you've got to get yourself emotionally to the point where you can do that. All right? That's all I've got, guys. Talk to you later.